Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be trying false eyelashes, the magnetic false eyelashes. So I got my package in the mail today, so let's open it up and we'll see what's inside. Now, I really don't wear fake eyelashes, just because I don't like the feeling of glue on my eyes. Frankly, I really can't do it very well. So we're gonna see if these work. Okay, oh, that's a pretty package. Okay, now I got these from Amazon and they were about $8. Now I know there's some expensive brands out there that can go to like 55 or 60, but I just wanted to try it. So the brand is Atiani, and they're magnetic. So this is what the package looks like. And let's check inside. So, okay, awesome. It comes with 3 different sets. This is the magnetic eyeliner. And this, I think, is the eyelash, like, where you, like, tweezers to, like, put it on your eyes. This is exciting. I'm excited. Okay, now I also have some scissors just in case I need to trim them. Now, I'm going to show you, when you're looking straight ahead, you want your eyelash to go like right there. You don't. Now I'm going to show you, when you're looking straight ahead, you want your eyelash to go like right there. So you don't want it to go all the way to the corner of your eye. You want it to go like in the middle. So let's measure these. I think I'll try the top ones. They look the fullest and the most fun, and I like fun things. Oh, cool. Okay. Look, I don't know if you can see that. So here's a close-up. Each eyelash has like these little magnets on the back. Do you see that? That's crazy and cool at the same time. So put them on. So I'm going to measure it to my eye. And I'm gonna trim it just a little bit. So I'm gonna trim it like to right there. Oop. It's hard to trim because the scissors are metal. Okay, there you go. I took just a little bit off. I don't think you can see that. There you go. I took just a little bit off. Now let's put our eyeliner on. Okay. This is the eyeliner. I'm sort of excited and nervous at the same time. Okay, so I need a mirror for this. Now, I usually put my eyeliner on thick, but I'm not going to do that this time. I'm going to let it dry really well before I put the lashes on. Okay, I want really good lighting for this, and I realized I didn't have that good of lighting. So, okay, are you ready? I'm going to take my tweezers. This is sort of nerve-wracking. Oh! Well, there we're going. Okay. Oh, that is crazy. So I think I'm going to, oh, they're like on. That is crazy. That is so cool. I do need to fix right here, make it go a little bit down. Wow, that is so cool. You can definitely tell, like, when I'm looking. Okay, let's try the second pair. That is so crazy. That is so cool. This is so cool. I've never been more excited about something in my life. Just kidding. So and then you like those are crazy. So the thing is, I think I need to trim just a little more since it's okay. Woo, that did not hurt at all. Okay, I'm gonna trim it just a little bit more because it's still a little too far over. And girls who do this every day, you are awesomely dedicated. There we go. I like that a lot better. Okay. I like it because it comes off easy and it still gives you eyeliner. That's what I really, really like about these. These are fun. Oh, these are fun. You know what? I think we should all just try these. Just for fun. Okay, what do you think? Do you like them? I love them. Oh, this is so much fun. So I'll put a link below for the product that I got. I think it's so worth it. I don't know if I'd wear them every day, but this is fun just to, maybe for pictures, to make it pop, you know. I think it's a lot of fun. Thank you so much for watching. I'm so glad we tried these out. Okay, we'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye!